special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in a new month, guys, and we have a new item to show. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies I have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Let's see, it's a 4-pack. We got some solars. Solar ground deck light. Crystal glass. Ooh. Fancy. It's been raining all day out here. So, not going outside today. But I'll probably hook these up later on tonight, or well, we could see from the video how they look like and stuff like that. So if I could get these open. There we go. We got it. We got the stakes for the ground. Camera looks different today. There we go. We got the instruction manual. Oh boy. This could be one of these types. Alright. You can mount these. Comes with screws. I don't think I'm gonna mount them. I'm gonna leave them on the ground in the front of the yard. More screws. More screws. So you get a 4-pack. They got some weight to them. Oh wow. These are actually glass. Got that bling. That is something different. As you can see. I don't want to chip it, but yeah, definitely glass. So be careful. You don't want to break them. Button right here. I can't tell yet. Oh. Ooh. Oh, these are nice blue. Oh, baby. Yeah, I think it's still raining. If it's not raining, because it's like 3:30 in the morning, I will go outside and put these in the ground. So hopefully it's done raining. Can't tell, it's pitch black out. It's alright though, we got time. So definitely check them out. We're in springtime now. Do your gardening and spice up your house a little. These are always cool. Everyone's been doing these now. I've seen more with their lawns. Just having these lights. But this is my first time seeing glass. So definitely nice touch. Maybe put it by the pool side, you know, and have that area glow. So, but they look pretty bright so far. By that 2 seconds of showing it off. So definitely excited to see how they look like totally at night in the dark. Okay. So we got that out of the way. Right there. 4-pack. Alright. Which one was it? Yeah, see. And once I shut the lights off, you'll see. So you get 4 of them. What about that? So we gotta figure this out. Hold on one sec. I'll see. Alright, I figured it out. Take this side. Put it around here. Get it in the grooves. See, there's little grooves right there. Make sure you get into locking position. Like so. See? It's all good. Take this guy. Easy peasy, guys. Yeah, see, I'm going to have it in the ground, so I don't need to mount it. Voila. Not bad size either, so we'll keep that right here. Got the solar. Now these other ones should be a simple install. Make sure the light's on. Make sure you test it. Click. One click touch. And bada boom. And you'll get it in the grooves. Sometimes first try. And then you can always take this. Get it lined up. There we go. Looks pretty good. Like that, see? Now, like I said, I'm not going to use these. Keep these over there. But it's a good thing to have an option for your home. See? Make sure you test it out. There you go. Pop this in. Pop this in. Make sure you get it locked in. Pretty heavy though. I want to take these. Dust. Alright, alright, alright. Let me move that out of the way. And that's pretty cool though. That's like something different, guys. I think I already did. Nope. One click, bada boom. But yeah, it's pretty. Got some weight to it. But definitely check them out. See what other styles they have or other kinds, colors. I think they got ambient ones or blue. So I go with the blue because I already have a couple out there and I had to get these because there's a spot missing. Or I didn't have no RGBs or LEDs. See? Kind of looks like a flower. Alright, we're going to turn off the lights. Pitch black mode. And then show you guys what they look like. And I'm going to go check outside, see if it's raining. If it's raining, I might not go out, but we'll see. Hold on. Oh yeah. These have a nice glow to it. You can see like the kind of design. But it's bright. I like that glow though. Definitely looks nice with the glass. Look at that though. Fancy dancy. Yeah, it is checked. It is raining, so no going outside installing. We're just gonna shoot it from here. Keep warm, keep dry. But yeah, kind of looks like Tron lights. Definitely cool. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers. Give them a try. Order maybe 2 sets. Maybe for the backyard. Or it depends on how big your backyard is. Or your front lawn. Here we go. Really cool. I think that's it though. I mean, pretty much showed them all. Yeah, see it's all installed. Bada boom. There's the bottom. Kind of has a glow to it. And then, so you can see the design, the shape, how it looks. That'd be cool by the pool side. So, either or, it's your guys' choice. Check them out though. Links down below. Take it easy.